This video is just to help you if you need some help with the instructions that were right above it for accessing the sim and what you're supposed to be looking at in that sim. So the first step says open the sim. I've already done that. It says select region 1, which is right here from the globe view, and then it says adjust the mantle setting to hard. That mantle setting is down here at the bottom, so we're making sure it says hard solid over on the left. Okay, did that. Then it says press run. That's blinking up here in the left-hand corner. You know that the sim is running when you see the million of years passing by. So this is simulating what the Earth's motion would look like over millions of years if the mantle was solid. Go ahead and be prepared to record your observations of what you're looking at, whether it's moving or not moving. Okay. Once the run is ended, it says press build. So now the run is ended. You can see that. Go back over here and press build. And it says change the mantle to a soft solid. So down here, move that over to soft solid. Press run. And again, you know the sim is running because you see that the years are passing over time. And make some observations about what you're witnessing right now. Are the Earth's plates moving? Are they not moving? If they are moving, how are they moving? You'll need to write that into your answer below this video. You'll notice in the directions also it says to record your observations in a data table. You're really just answering the question below.